Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders. Here we have an exclusive design zari border, tri-layer zari border design, beautiful one, done on premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric, and the color of the saree here is a royal blue with the same color pallu, black block prints as well as zari lines in the pallu, and we have same color blouse piece, running concept blouse piece. And the saree here is a very beautiful pattern, completely blue plain body with the border design. We have a beautiful zigzag line pattern on black base, and white base we have the very beautiful Bengali village pattern design, excellently printed using black, elegant, simple and beautiful design with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful tri-layer Tassa border. Here we have antique color used for the zari, and this is the pallu of the zari. Pallu is also black with beautiful vertical zari lines and block prints, and we have plain black blouse piece. The blouse piece also have the both sides border design, the tri-layer border. And the saree here is very beautiful black, bleached black color with only the prints in the lower half. The tribal pattern, very elegant and most famous design, excellently printed, simple and beautiful saree with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, 4-layer zari border, exclusive collection sarees. You can see the zari border done very beautifully, and it is done on a boiled acid washed beautiful Tassa fabric. And this is the pallu of the saree. The saree completely is in indigo blue shade with same color pallu, block prints as well as zari lines in the pallu with same pallu color and saree color blouse piece with the zari borders, a 4-layer zari border which is very rich and beautiful. And the saree here is also in the same shade with the floral design printed in the lower half of the saree. Beautiful prints, mild and shuttle colors used for the prints, half white and mild green tinge color. Excellent collection, very simple but beautiful with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa. Here we have a 4-layer zari border, exclusive design sarees done on very elegant fabric, and this is the pallu, same body color pallu with the prints all over and zari lines, and we have same color blouse piece. The blouse piece is also plain with the border in both sides. It's indigo blue with very elegant prints all over, printing design closely printed, very beautiful small printing. It is pink and half white used for the printing. Simple yet very beautiful with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, a tri-layer. Here we have a 4-layer zari border, an exclusive design done on premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. And here we have a brick red color, mild maroon mixed red it is with the zari lines. Same color blouse piece, brown and maroon mixed color it is, very different color. And same way the saree here is completely printed using the same pallu color, very different design. You can see the florals are done a low rise pattern on the cream base color, sandal green color. The borders are also on the same color, which is very pretty. Contrast and classy saree with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful 4-layer zari border concept saree, very elegant borders, and we have a multicolored pallu. Vertically we have multiple colors in the pallu with zari lines, and the blouse piece here is blue, copper sulphate blue color, plain blouse piece with the borders, and the saree is perfectly half white in the middle with printing all over, blue and black used for the beautiful floral design, and we have green borders as well in both sides of the saree. And the zari borders of the saree is done on the copper sulphate blue piece. Very excellent, catchy color saree, beautiful design with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a tri-layer beautiful zari border collection, an exclusive collection for the black lovers here. Complete saree in the pallu is black with vertical zari lines and block prints, and same black blouse piece, plain black with one side just the border design, which can be used for the sleeves, and only the florals are printed in the saree beautifully. Half white, a dull finish half white is used perfect saree for the black lovers with antique finish zari. Excellent one with authentic silk. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed foil tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful 4 layers zari border. Saree is an exclusive collection. The pallu is also in the body color with block prints and zari lines. Completely in same running color concept saree. The blouse piece also is in same color. The body, you can see the color of the saree is very different. Brown with mild maroon tinge. Very beautiful one with the floral design. A very different floral pattern it is. A rickshaw kind pattern printed all over. Very beautiful one. Tweak design, and we have the borders which is very pretty with authentic silk. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. A very beautiful exclusive tri-layer zari border. Beautiful concept sarees, an exclusive collection with blue, dark copper sulphate blue color pallu, zari lines and block prints in the pallu with same color, pallu color, plain blouse piece. The blouse piece also have the zari borders here. The body is completely a half white with cream finish with very elegant prints, grey and blue used for the prints here. Closely printed design, and we also have the pallu color base for the borders. Very elegant, simple and very beautiful sarees with authentic silk. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful exclusive tri-layer zari border concept, an antique zari used here, black blouse piece and pallu with zari lines and zari border. You can see the blouse piece is also plain black with the antique kind tri-layer zari border concept. The saree here is maroon shade with beautiful prints, leaf prints all over. Half white used for the printing, mild sandal based half white, and the borders of the saree is finely on the black base. Beautiful design, attractive color with authentic silk. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a 4-layer zari border concept, a contrast pallu, green shade, a pale green finish shade color with pallu with zari lines and zari border. Same color blouse piece, a contrast one for the body. Both are the body as well as the pallu are in green shades but in different shade here. Light green color, beautiful light green body with base color white for the borders. Very different collection with complete printing is done using white, half white color. Elegant one, very different as well as beautiful collection with authentic silk. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a very beautiful tri-layer zari border concept sarees. Excellently done on an antique finish zari on this black saree. Complete saree, the pallu as well as blouse are in black shade with vertical lines, zari lines in the pallu. Here the blouse piece with just the border design in the blouse piece, and the complete saree is also in the black, inked black with beautiful dull finish half white motifs, block printed, hand block printed, and the jari is also very beautiful with the antique finish. Excellent saree in majestic black with authentic silk. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid wash boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a very beautiful saree with exclusive border design, a tri-layer zari border and blue pallu, royal blue color with zari lines and block prints, and we have same royal blue blouse piece with one side green borders. The saree is of a very different concept. The blue part is coming under the lower half and the pink increases and then almost comes to the 3/4 of the saree in the middle portion. Very elegant one. The color rising pattern with the flower design block printed in the blue portion around. The pink is completely plain always with beautiful saree layer in both sides. Excellent concept, a very new concept saree, beautifully done with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful black pallu with beautiful zari lines vertically, and we have a very elegant border as well. It's an exclusive design border with same blouse in the pallu color, black, shade black it is, contrast to the body. The body color is a beautiful yellow. On it, the red prints and the black prints are highlighted very elegantly. And we have the exclusive 4-layer zari border concept, antique zari used on the base black color here. Excellent and exclusive collection with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a very beautiful color, a brown and peach mixed color, same color pallu with blue prints, and we also have the zari lines vertically. Same color blouse piece, the complete saree is in the running color concept. Very elegant, different pastel shade color with 4-layer exclusive zari border design. Golden zari used for the borders, and we have beautiful flower pattern printed in the blue base color. Very elegant one, completely a pastel shade saree with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with the beautiful tri-layer exclusive border design sarees. Here we have a beautiful border here, you can see. The complete saree is here, dark grey, almost an elephant grey color with same color pallu and blouse piece. Pallu have beautiful dark peach block prints as well. And here the only the prints are in contrast concept. Complete saree is in single running color. Beautiful 2 design mango pattern prints. One is in dark peach and one is in yellow. Excellent design. Simple but very elegant with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with beautiful exclusive tri-layer zari border design. Zari border. Here we have 3 layers. Golden zari. The color of the saree is a beautiful pastel green with pink prints in the pallu, and we have zari lines as well. The same border running in the blouse piece also. Running color pallu and blouse piece. Complete saree is in beautiful pastel green with mild yellow tinges here and there. A very beautiful lady dancing design block prints that is done using the pink color, peachy pink, and you can see the very elegant borders in both sides. Excellent, elegant, simple saree with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders. Here we have a beautiful 4-layer zari border sarees, an exclusive collection done on premium acid washed boiled Tassa. And here we have a beautiful plain black blouse piece with zari border and zari lines, and same black color blouse piece. A contrast one for the body. The body here is olive green shade, beautiful color. Top is completely plain and the lower half is completely printed on half white base color. It's a dull finish half white with the pond concept fishes, very beautiful fishes done using blue and green color shades. And we have the borders done on base color black itself, and it's an antique zari concept. Excellent and beautiful saree with authentic silk.